This 2020 Jayco North Point 377 RLBH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep's 8 LP detector, microwave, slide-out, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, smoke detector, air conditioning, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Jayco North Point 377 RLBH is 14,040 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.